It disrupted my morning.
A crumbling building in downtown Kansas City disrupts the streetcar line and more. Tonight, it's slated to come down. That old building impacting streetcar service starting last night. I'm John Holt.
And I'm Christelle Bell. Thousands of riders were left looking for a new way to get around. Fox 4's Kelly Peltier joins us live from where that building stood near 15th and Main downtown. Kelly?
Yeah, John, Christelle, like you said, that demolition is now complete. Take a look behind me. You can see here off 16th and Main, there's really not a whole lot that's left after that demolition. This privately owned building is fairly old. It's been around for a few years. Officials say recently it's been the site of fires, that most recent one happening just last night. City leaders tell me that fire is the reason why everything around it is unsafe, and that's why it had to come down.
This is my regular stop. This is where I board in the morning.
Ron McClendon takes the streetcar down to 3rd and Grand almost every day for breakfast.
My normal 20-minute trip to get down to 3rd and Grand for breakfast took about 50 minutes this morning.
But a fire at this building south of Truman and Main Street closed off his usual stop, changing his entire routine.
That fire has affected our service because that building is now considered hazardous.
Firefighters used a lot of water to put out that fire, and it could have collapsed on the streetcar or even people and cars going by.
The city does have regulations on a footprint that they have to keep safe if there is a building that is in danger of collapsing, and our tracks happen to be in that.
While the streetcar was out of service, the city teamed up with Ride KC to help passengers find some different routes to get to their destinations.
We know how important it is to keep public transit moving. We know how important it is to keep even our pedestrians safe, so everybody got on board and is able to get this done.
Streetcar service resumed about 3:30 earlier this afternoon, but as you can see, the sidewalk over there on the east side is still closed. They are having a public meeting on that Berkeley Riverfront expansion on this Thursday. The public is invited, talking about this and expanding it all the way down. Christelle.